Hello good mates, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick little update on this unit I'm currently wearing right now. This is Free Tress Equal Julianna, and I got her from Glamour Tress on one of their wig sales. You guys, if you're not subscribed to their newsletters, you should definitely do that because Glamour Tress is always having a sale. Like I said in the previous video, some of these people are getting these notifications at, I don't know, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and they are hopping on there and getting these wigs. So if you do subscribe, make sure as soon as you get that notification on email, you head on there right away because all the good ones are taken like that. Or they're good ones, but maybe the colors that are left are just not, you know, I don't know, work friendly, or maybe it's just not your thing. So make sure you do that so you can know about their sales. So anyway, so Julianna I've had for over a week, and I got her in 99J. I love the color still. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm really into the 99Js and into reds this season. So I'm trying, like I said before, I'm trying to move away from the blondes and doing more naturals and the red colors. It does not come with baby hairs, so I didn't cut baby hairs. All I did was take my Got2b glue gel and just swooped it. And same thing I did with this. So the pieces in here, right here. So you don't have to use baby hairs. I just think it looks more natural by doing baby hairs, especially because when I wear my hair out, I have baby hairs. So I just want to make it like cohesive, if that makes sense. Love the curls on her. So how she held up, the cons. So I only had her for a week, and you know, she's already tangled and frizzy right here. So it's all the pieces kind of hitting the nape and back area. The top part seems to be okay, but it's all this kind of area that, you know, she's synthetic curly units. She's gonna, you know, tangle up. So it's in your typical tangle areas. I don't really brush her. I just kind of, you know, gently kind of pull her apart to get rid of the tangles, and that seems to work fine. I think what I'm going to do is apply some heat to her because she is a curling iron, or iron safe, flat iron safe. I don't know why I can't think of anything, iron safe. So I think I'm going to do that. At first I was going to cut her, but I don't want to go back to doing that, cutting my units when they get old. So we're going to try just using the flat iron. Of course, by using the flat iron, it is going to change the curl pattern. You can definitely wash her, maybe, and that might help the curls restore. I just feel with her not being that old, only a week old, I don't know how well washing her is really going to make the curls pop. I just feel like it's just this particular unit. Because she's an older unit, so she's not new. So yeah, I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense or if I'm babbling on, but as you can see, like, all this is tangled. And I did spray it with the wig conditioner to try to just prolong it, and that didn't help. So yeah, it's just something about this unit and the way she wears that she does tangle and frizz after just wearing her for a week. So all right, guys, I do like her, though. I will still rock her. I just would definitely put her in rotation with another unit, and just rotate her out so it doesn't continue to get, the frizzing and the tangling doesn't continue to get worse on her. And like I said, I'll probably go through with the flat iron to see if that will help mend her. So actually, let me plug in my flat iron. I'm going to do that now. Since you see her now in this state. Let's see if you can see the frizz on there. But yeah, let me plug in my flat iron and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have gone through and recurled all the frizzy parts. So, you know, I just wrapped it around my flat iron, counted to about 12, released the curl, and kind of held it in my hand, or held it in between my fingertips, and I just let it kind of cool off. With it being a synthetic wig, it really won't take it that long to cool off, as opposed to human hair. And now I'm going to go in with, this is a mixture of oil. It's like what was in here, which was Garnier Whole Blends. It's like a little bit of that left in there, which is coconut oil and cocoa butter. And then I also put in here the last bit of my shea almond and I think coconut, I don't know, shea moisture, not shea moisture, shea butter and almond. There's another mixture I do, so I can't remember what the third oil is. But I'm just going to put some in my hands here and then just kind of run that through the hair. Being gentle. I don't want to, basically you treat it like your hair, right? If you pull too much on it, it'll get frizzy again. So just going lightly through it and just adding a little bit of oil to it, just to kind of help restore some of the moisture to it. And I don't want to say reviving it, because I feel like you should only say reviving to older units, and I haven't had her that long. So, but this will definitely help with frizzing and all of that. Okay, now I'm just kind of crunching and scrunching that up, and I wound her back up just to kind of help with the curl there. And then I'll just leave her like this and put her back in her package, and then, you know, let this oil kind of soak in and work its magic, and then she's good to go. So yeah, ends are much better. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, she looks much better, you guys. So I still like this unit, you know, even though with the frizziness going on, I don't feel like it's a deal breaker. I love the bang. You see how you can play with that bang? Get some hairspray if you want and kind of give the bang even more volume. That's real cute. So this is a really great wig. The color makes it really great for fall. But she doesn't feel heavy. She's not, she's a perfect density to me. To me, she's an everyday glam I feel like you can get away with. Like, I wear her to work, and you know, I feel like she's an everyday unit. But you guys let me know about Miss Julianna, how you feel about her, because I'm digging her. You know, we got rid of the frizz and, you know, revived her a little bit, as I guess the best way to say it, or showed her some TLC. But yeah, see, I love the layers in here where that just frames the face. I mean, this cut, the way they styled her, made her, I think she's a gorgeous, beautiful unit. I really like this unit. You probably could play around with her, so she is a lace front, and, you know, play around with creating different styles on her. Especially if she's, you know, laid down to the ear. You know, you can do different styles, some kind of updo, you know, because she has that glamorous vibe, old school vibe to her. So you can definitely have some fun with some up down, half up down action with her. So all right, said I want this to be quick, so that means I need to hop off of here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, share this video. Maybe somebody wants to know how to get rid of the frizz on their units, and this is a way to do it if you don't want to do the boil method, if you don't want to do to wash it, especially if it's just like new, like I said, within the week. And after you've had it for a month or so, yes, definitely do the techniques of the boiling and the boiling the hair in rollers, or washing her and reconditioning her and everything like that. Oh, there isn't any, I don't have any shedding on her, and there is some tangling. I mean, you already saw that tangling and frizzing. So yeah, I'm sorry, I want to throw that in there before I forgot. Alright guys, and give this video a thumbs up, especially if you liked how I revitalized Miss Juliana here, you know, gave her back a little bit, her little pep, a little bit at the ends, you know. So let me know if you like that, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget the notification so you know when a new video is headed your way. And as always, you're awesome. Tell yourself you love yourself. And yeah, let me hop off of here and I will be back. Alright guys, until next time, bye.